Right, these are broad beans, or the actual plant. Now, these flowers they're coming out too early, but what you can do with this is snip back to about there. Some new shoots will come up. I've done it here, and you can see I snip back here, and some new shoots will come up. And with the actual foliage on top, you just put that in a stir fry, and it tastes really nice. Definitely cook it up anyway. I think it's got high in oxalic acids, so by cooking it you get rid of that. But broad beans, if you're planting them too early, or if you had a mild winter, what you're going to have is it's basically a plant with lots of flowers. You can't really, they're not going to survive through one little bit of frost and stuff like that. As soon as they start opening up a bit more, cut it back, let the new shoots come up like that, and you have a new plant next to no time, and you'll get a free meal as well from that. Alright, take care and bye.